you all doing? In this video, we are going to unbox the Apple Watch SE in Starlight color. Oh my god, I did not expect the Starlight color to look this good. My name is Jay and you are watching Tech Hyped. A lot of you guys are really skeptical before getting an Apple Watch, and it is very difficult choosing the right color which would look perfect for your wrist. Alright, so I have my three watches. One is an Apple Watch SE in black, and now this I got an Apple Watch SE in Starlight. Then I have Apple Watch Series 7 in green. First of all, before comparing and telling that what it looks like on your hand and how the color is, let's unbox this watch real quick. Unboxing this watch, there is a plastic wrap on the box. Removing that, there is the first thing you will be greeted with after opening the box is the Apple Watch itself. There is two boxes, Apple Watch box, and then below that you will find Apple Watch band box. This looks really cool, isn't it? Alright, so first of all, let's unbox the watch. Removing the lid of the watch box, there is watch at the side and wrapped in this plastic thingy. I actually love the packaging of Apple Watch non-SE, because that comes in a really premium package. It is not this plastic, but a bit of a different pouch. Other thing you're gonna find in the box is the charging cable. This is USB-C to Apple Watch adapter. The Apple Watch connector. This is the cable, and the cable quality itself it's alright. The Apple Watch Series 7 charger that I have, it is the fast charger, so that charger is really premium. The thing is, this is plastic and that is aluminium, and the cable itself feels really premium. Of course, you are paying the premium price, so that's it. And now, opening the band box, let's keep all this aside. In opening the band box, you will find this band. We're first of all removing this lip, and after removing this lip, you will find this band, which looks really good, not gonna lie. The Starlight has a little tint. It kind of looks like creamish to me, but yeah, the shade that it has is really good. I will try my best to color correct this video to show as good and as IRL color as possible. But of course, it looks a bit different in real life depending on what display you are viewing it on, because there are a lot of factors. But let me tell you, it is pretty much golden on your wrist, and it looks really good. This watch looks amazing paired with these bands, and these bands looks really good on this watch, surprisingly, because to be very honest, the green bands that I got with my Apple Watch Series 7 green, and the band that I got with my Apple Watch SE, the black band, all of that looks the sport loop band looks like, the black band on my Apple Watch SE, it looks like I'm just gonna go on a run, it's alright, but I just don't do that stuff more often, so it looks kind of meh in some of the times. Whereas on the green band that I have on my Apple Watch Series 7, that looks pretty funky, but of course you need to have some formal sometimes. So this watch is the perfect for formals, because this band looks really premium to me. Of course, band is not a problem. You can have any band on your Apple Watch. Literally, the original Apple Watch bands work with this watch too. That is not an issue. Going to the watch itself is really good. Typical Apple Watch, it is really premium. It looks really good. It has built with really high grade aluminium, and the display quality is top notch. It is really sharp. It is really bright. You can view it outdoors, you can view it indoors. That is not a problem. This watch is pretty much the perfect purchase for you guys, because I can't think of any small thing that you could imagine that this watch doesn't have. Pretty much every single thing that a user would want from a smartwatch, this just does it all. I have been using the Apple Watch SE for about 2 years now, and it has served me really well over this almost 2 years of period that I'm using it. It is a really amazing piece of tech. Barely have any scratches after using my Apple Watch SE for about 2 years, and this Apple Watch has the same screen, the same everything. Pretty much everything is the same on this Apple Watch. I love this watch so much, and this color, the Starlight color, is just awesome. Let me know down in comments below what are your thoughts on Apple Watch SE Starlight color. Do you like it? This is pretty much a golden color, and to be very honest, this looks really elegant. I have my Apple Watch SE black, I have my Apple Watch Series 7 in green, I have this Starlight watch and in my collection now, and to be very honest, this Apple Watch SE in Starlight looks far more premium than my other watches. Those look premium, the Apple Watch Series 7 also, it looks premium, but to be very honest, the color, the shade that Starlight gives, it is just awesome. And the thing is, you just can't get the Starlight color on other watch, which is the normal series 7, series 6, series 8. You just can't get the Starlight color on those watches, which makes it even better for Apple Watch SE users. Starlight color is pretty awesome in my opinion. Let me know down in comments below what are your thoughts on this color. Do you like it? How is it this color? Do you like it? Are you getting one? Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I will catch you guys in the very next episode. Peace. Also be sure to subscribe to this channel because we are really close to 10k and I want to get to 10k as soon as we can. Peace.